डू यू बिलीव एक्रेडिटेशन में आजकल वाकई में वो 5 दिन फिनोमेना है कि नहीं?
Accreditation, according to me, is a process which is tedious.
I was trying to get a medical terminology done for what he spoke.
Accreditation is alive and acting every day.
If I may say so, with briefs, debriefs and etc. coming into play.
So before we begin, I just was thinking, let's introduce the topic. And मेरा टैक्सी ड्राइवर मेरे को लेके आ रहा था एक बार, and I told him, भैया थोड़ा जल्दी चलाओ, लेट हो रहे हैं. He said, सर यहाँ जल्दी नहीं चला सकते, यहाँ कैमरा है. And वहां पे कैमरा था और लाइटें बहुत थी, but he said जल्दी नहीं चला सकते, कैमरा है. And then एक अंधेरे से जंगल में जहां पे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, he said यहाँ जल्दी चला सकते, यहाँ कैमरा नहीं है. And I said यहाँ मत जल्दी चला. And he went saying यहाँ कैमरा नहीं है. Today, we are talking about वो 5 दिन. And I was thinking about वो 360 दिन. Because अगर 5 इधर है तो 360 है. So before we go to the debate and we introduce all our panelists and we start everything, I just wanted to ask the audience, do you believe accreditation में आजकल वाकई में वो 5 दिन फिनोमेना है कि नहीं? Do you believe? All of you who say yes, raise your hand. Wait. There are 40% people who are saying yes. All of you who are saying no, raise your hand. Wow, so for and against is good. But there's still about 35% people who are saying I don't know or I don't care. Is it so? So now this is more like a Shah Rukh Khan movie, kabhi haan, kabhi na. Kabhi karenge, kabhi nahi karenge. So the best place to be in this debate is not on the left, not on the right. It is to be in the center. And we have got the CEOs and the COOs. And before we go forward, I'd like my co-moderator, Dr. Narayanan, also to say something.
Thank you and welcome to this debate. Actually, I don't know about the audience, but the moderators are very excited to listen to both sides. And like Clive has already taken a vote of hands, and it's kind of evenly split at the moment, but there are a lot of fence-sitters, it's quite evident. And let's look forward to the debate and see how the results change. So looking forward to this interesting session along with all of you.
And we have only one ground rule. Hello? We have only one ground rule. No WhatsApp. You listen to us because some people have bought off the audience. ऐसा सुनने में आया है, correct? Some people have bought off the audience because it's going to be a voice vote. But I'm going to involve the audience from time to time also. So, without saying ado, we have a few ground rules. So that people don't go on to WhatsApp and, are listening to us. Each of our speakers will begin, they'll talk for 2 or 3 minutes. So whoever is for gives their view for 2-3 minutes. Whoever doesn't want to agree with them gives their view for 2-3 minutes. Then we come in the middle and then we rebut. So that's how we are going to do it. So it's going to be a round robin. Cordial because unfortunately, normally hospital में होता है ना, तो PPE साथ लेके घूमते हैं. So I don't have an helmet, I don't have anything, it's going to be cordial. So is accreditation really accreditation or is it just wo 5 din? So we have the people for are?
I'm honestly confused who is for and
I am totally confused. He is honestly confused because यही तो नहीं होना चाहिए. यही तो नहीं होना चाहिए because 360 दिन यही तो होता है.
Clive, अभी आप हम पे छोड़ दो. अभी आप हम पे छोड़ दो.
अभी छोड़ नहीं सकते. Okay, so is accreditation?
It's between Parag and me now.
So now we take you all are 4, right? So 4. Okay, so let's begin. So let's begin. Do you really believe accreditation is there for? Okay, wow. So accreditation 2-3 minutes, and you start give your views.
Okay, when you said whether it's 5 days or something, it reminds me of. I won't take her name. We were dating and we decided to go for before we decided to get married, we decided to go for a 5-day vacation. I'll use the word vacation. And I said, gosh, it was too much. And I just ran away from there. For me, quality is a mindset. The IBM, the company IBM once decided to test Japanese quality for some components which they wanted for their mainframe computers. So they ordered some components in Japan and they told them that we want a rejection rate of 3 pieces in 10,000. So that was the success rate they were looking for. They got the shipment, and along with the shipment, they got a note saying that we really don't understand why you want 3 parts to fail in the shipment of 10,000. But since you are the customer and you have asked for this, we'll give it to you. We have identified these 3 parts and we have packed them separately to ensure that they don't mix together. Accreditation, according to me, is a process which is tedious, which is a process which is overhinged on documentation, and in many cases it does not actually reflect the true mindset of quality. The scholars at Stanford did a lot of research on quality and they found that the largest important determinant of quality in service industry is an engaged employee, and they came up with a model called as the professional fulfillment model. Now, what does this say? In simple words, it says that when an individual feels professionally fulfilled, he will deliver quality irrespective of whether he's, being checked or not being checked. And this comes from 3 things. First is what they call as a culture of wellness, which begins from the leadership commitment that everybody in the organization has to be happy and has to be well. It also hinges on the support that you should have a mechanism where you recognize, you appreciate and all that. And most important, be fair. The second is what they talk about, efficiency of practice. And that is where all teams in the organization act as support to one another and they are able to actually, do teamwork. And here it is, the organization has to be adequately staffed. I'm once again saying the organization has to be adequately staffed. The third one is developing personal resilience among professionals themselves, which includes financial security, safety for all these people. Rather than telling people what to do, so let me explain this in a very nice story. In China is very well known for jade sculptures. An American diplomat went to a museum in China and he saw a large, beautiful jade statue. He looked at that jade statue and he asked his colleague over there, who was Chinese, how do you think that this jade statue was made? It's so beautiful. He said, sir, there is a difference in the American approach and the Chinese approach. He says, you Americans look at life as an empty canvas and you start filling in different types of colors in it. You add this, you add this, you add this, you add this, you add this. And when something doesn't work out, you try to change it. He says, we look at things very differently. The sculptor who saw the statue, who saw the piece of ugly rock, which you would say is ugly, found it beautiful as it is. He started chipping small weaknesses, small parts, bit by bit by bit, and that is how it has become a beautiful statue. If you are able to actually tackle one weakness in the system, I think every day, every month, etc., you are automatically going to walk the path of the quality, irrespective of whether somebody checks you or no.
So Dr. Neil, that was good. I am more confused now. Because Dr. Neil was actually supposed to talk about 4 कि quality 5 दिन होता है कि नहीं, पर ये तो sculpting में चले गए और
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ सर, आपको 5 दिन भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
अच्छा, वो 5 दिन ये टॉपिक था. अगले साल ऑर्गेनाइजर्स प्लीज नोट करे वो 0 दिन. Okay, so but in one line, do you believe accreditation, and we understand what you said, rightly said, and in an ideal world that is what should happen, but yes or no answer. Do you believe as of today, I won't say everywhere, in most places, generally quality is practiced, wo 5 din, would you believe that, yes or no?
Yes.
Wonderful. So before we go to Dr. Mulpur, I would like to hear from, sir, please, okay. Yes.
The Organizing Secretary of Calcon 2025, Dr. Sanjeev Singh.
There's a small star, you know, all this organizing secretary and all this does not go into the vote count in the end. वो बहुत छोटा star है.
So we were sitting there, and I was trying to get a medical terminology done for what he spoke. And I could only get that it was a mindful bullshitting which was happening. Dr. Neil, this is completely not accepted. I was speaking to my head of department of neurology and wanted to understand when the husband and wife fight, next day, why does husband doesn't recollect anything and wife doesn't forget? And the head of department neurology said the wife even remembers how many times you gave a vacant look, how many times you were yawning, how many times you were fiddling with the mobile. Husband doesn't remember anything. My head of department neurology said, don't go there, it is XX amygdala complex ka chemical locha. I didn't realize that there will be a bigger chemical locha here where they don't know which they belong to which, either for or against. And they are bullshitting. They are bullshitting about American and Chinese and God knows what kind of sculptor. So there was again a husband and wife. So the husband was not feeling well. Wife took him to see a doctor, and the doctor saw and said, "Do 4 things and he'll be okay. Don't give him dirty looks for 1 more year. He'll be okay. Don't ask for diamond and jewelry for next 1 year. He'll be okay." Lalu is an exception. Don't discuss mother-in-law for next 1 year. He'll be okay. Don't discuss mother-in-law, daughter-in-law serials which come at 9 p.m. with him. He'll be okay. So both of them were going back home. Husband asked, what did the doctor say? Wife said, you're not going to survive for long. This team is definitely not going to survive for long. And I'll give a clinical example also, because what they do, they say 0 din, accreditation, not even. So this is what they do. When a patient comes with an AQI index of 440 with a shortness of breath, they advise this team on the right hand side, they advise CBC. उनसे पूछो क्यों? क्योंकि आया है तो CBC तो करना ही चाहिए. Why LFT and KFT? कि सर ब्लड भेज रहे थे तो ये तो करा ही लिया. Why chest X-ray? सर इतना तो होनी चाहिए क्योंकि shortness of breath है, ऐसा नहीं कह दे कि कुछ नहीं हुआ. ABG because it has come to a tertiary level hospital, you have to do something different. HRCT सर कुछ तो अलग करना चाहिए, ये तो secondary level के hospital भी करते हैं. The treatment which they advise is short acting. ये क्यों किया? Because सर हमको पढ़ाया गया था salbutamol देने के लिए. फिर long acting क्योंकि सर asthma long भी चलती है. Then methylprednisolone, रामबाण, सर पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. So you give methylprednisolone. This is what they do. Deriphyllin, जिसकी absorption is 18% orally, but they give because I don't know why. Marcel, ये नाम इतना अच्छा है, Italian लगता है, Montelukast, so they give. They give Allegra because they have no clue what is happening, so allergy to शायद होगी ही. Then since he is complaining so much, to keep him quiet, they give a chewable tablet called vitamin C. And then कुछ मालूम ही नहीं है, immunity booster, they give Bicosol. हमारा हॉस्पिटल, मेरा और पराग का हॉस्पिटल क्या करता है? They do evidence-based practice because it takes time, which is pulmonary function test, inhalational corticosteroid. So that's the difference, Dr. Mulpur and Dr. Neil. That is where they don't have a purpose. Ikigai क्या है? मालूम नहीं है क्योंकि this was in Madrid. I was walking through. They were selling the bags. After a few times, I noticed when I turned back, there was nobody actually at that point of care. And this is what happens in a 0-day or a 5-day thing. So there is a hierarchy of evidence, and that is what Cochrane says, Dr. Mulpur and Dr. Neil. I don't know whether you know that. So it says that there is an experience base. So when I was doing a round in one of the hospitals, I went to the orthopedics ward. I looked at the drug chart. The orthopedics doctor gave meropenem. I asked him why. He said, 10 साल से 15 साल से देते आ रहे हैं. Then he gave piperacillin tazobactam. I asked him why. He says कि 2 antibiotic तो देना चाहिए वरना recover नहीं होते. Then third drug was tramadol. I asked him why. He said बहुत pain होता है. I asked the patient, do you have pain? Patient said no. Fourth drug was injection ondansetron. I asked him why, because tramadol दिया है तो nausea होता है तो इसलिए दिया. I asked the patient, do you have nausea? Patient said no. Then fifth was 3 pints of normal saline, and asked him why. जो भी आता है उसको infusion तो मिलता ही है. 1 decade back it has been declared as very abnormal normal saline. Sixth drug was MVI. I asked him why. बोलते हैं yellow colored fluid जब जाता है तो they feel powerful. What is that? This is Anil Mulpur and Neil Sikula opinion within the evidence-based practice. So please pull up your socks, have some sense. Don't go for him. He'll do all kind of drama. Please vote for us. Thank you so much.
Wow. Abhi Dr. Mulpur has pulled up his socks and he's on the way. But you know, for some time I was really thinking, are we talking wo 5 din, or are we talking of someone who's come with respiratory arrest, is in the, you cannot breathe क्योंकि salbutamol, methylprednisolone, ये सब तो कहीं agenda में था भी नहीं. And अब now it's in the hands of the CVTS surgeon. So God help us, अब किधर जाने वाले हैं?
General Pawan Kapoor is the principal assessor. He is going to assess ROM and CQI. Camera, rolling, action. Confusion किस बात का है भैया? Neil and Anil. We are going to say just वो 5 दिन, बाकी सब बकवास. Now, my learned friend Sanjeev said, husband and wife, I want to stick to Pati, Patni aur O. Pati is healthcare organization, Patni is quality department, O is NABH assessor. This movie, like NABH book, at least has 2 versions. First one is NABH first edition, next one is NABH 6th edition. In the original movie plot is, the Patni thinks there is something between Pati and O. Whereas in accreditation, O thinks there is nothing between Pati and Patni. There is no carriage, there is no miscarriage. Because it is arranged marriage. If that is not so, you all are from different hospitals. Why is there bakwas about prophylactic antibiotics? The 4th dose you give is no longer prophylaxis. I can tell you, there is not a single exception. Every hospital has cefoperazone, sulbactam, promoters among clinicians. No one has any control. Medical records, clinical records, medical record audits, this confusion is eternal. Sound understanding is seen in 5% of people. Other naam ke waaste bakwas points, nursing and managerial audits, effectiveness of committees, job description, appraisals and privileging, employee satisfaction audits by a third party, bilkul bakwas. Then why are we sitting and CAHO is taking this seriously? As the quality man of India who is sitting in the first row yesterday said, it all began with the unfortunate linking of CGHS tariffs to hospitals. That is it. You have ECHS tariffs, insurance payments according to tiers, therefore we are all sitting here, otherwise we have better things to do in our lives. And unfortunately, you have international representatives for whom I will say, apart from Tamil Nadu contingent, please learn Hindi, otherwise you will be left out. Because you won't understand what is that O 5 din. And accreditation post-COVID is now a pandemic for which there is no vaccine. Now, what is the typical cycle what we have? Sharma ji ek hospital chain ke de dilwale mard. ग्रुप सीईओ बन गए, बढ़ रहा उनका हर दिन सर दर्द, दिन ब दिन फैलता जा रहा उनका हॉस्पिटल चेन. शर्मा जी तो दिखते हर वक्त बेचैन. NABH NABL, JCI, ISO, इनके फुल फॉर्म तो मालूम नहीं, लेकिन दिमाग चला के लिए एक डिसीजन बिल्कुल सही। अपॉइंट कर दिए थे एक ग्रुप क्वालिटी मैनेजर, दिखने में बड़ी खूबसूरत, हुआ तो क्या एकदम फ्रेशर। नाम भी बढ़िया, दिखने भी अति सुंदर, अमीलिया अमर। शी लुक्स एंड स्मेल्स लाइक जास्मिन फ्लावर। कंसल्टेंट को लगाया एनुअल बिल में 10% लेकर, एक्रेडिटेशन कंसल्टेंट का नाम था अभिनव डफर। अभिनव जी कॉलेज में थे आयुर्वेद के गुरु। अभिनव जी कॉलेज में थे आयुर्वेद के गुरु। अब एक्रेडिटेशन कंसल्टेंसी में नया इनिंग्स शुरू। हर हफ्ते में इधर या उधर होते रहता है हवाई जहाज में अक्सर सफर। अभिनव जी जिम में बनाए अच्छे बॉडी, टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑल दैट एक छोटी सी दाढ़ी। अमीलिया पहनती थी एक पांव में पायल, करती थी पूरा हॉस्पिटल एम्प्लॉयज को दिलों का घायल। अमीलिया अमर और अभिनव डफर था जोड़ी बिल्कुल बेफिक्र, खुदा न करे और लग जाए किसी की नजर। दोनों का था एक्रेडिटेशन और क्वालिटी की कम खबर, लेकिन फैशन और स्टाइल में दोनों का एकदम बराबर। प्रिंसिपल एसेसर थे जनरल पवन कपूर। प्रिंसिपल एसेसर थे पवन कपूर। ही न्यू इन द ओपनिंग इटसेल्फ, मीटिंग इटसेल्फ, क्वालिटी इज वेरी वेरी पुअर। बना तो दिए IPL सेंचुरी NC के नंबर, लेकिन अभिनव और अमीलिया के स्वीट रिक्वेस्ट सुनकर MOM, FMS, HIC, ROM को कई बार पीस कर फाइनल NC नंबर बना दिया केवल 75। अंग्रेजी में ब्रीफ, लेकिन हिंदी में चड्डी। लास्ट डे करने बैठे डी ब्रीफिंग, खुल दिया सबका चड्डी। ब्रीफ इस चड्डी, ब्रीफिंग चड्डी पहनाना, डी ब्रीफिंग चड्डी उतरना। For censor board reasons, for censor board objections, I'm not putting any photographs. What was there after debriefing? COO पूछे, वो 5 दिन के बारे में बताइए अमीलिया। COO पूछे, वो 5 दिन के बारे में बताइए अमीलिया। अमीलिया अमर ने बात को उल्टा समझ लिया, तुरंत बिना सोच के एक ही लात मारी। वो 5 दिन बोलते ही she thought of whisper and stay free. वो 5 दिन pathology of accreditation and physiology of menstruation. Both are inevitable and painful. Thank God, in the end is in close vicinity, end of assessment. Oh God, it will come again, reassessment. The time was very too short, as I have now. 75 non-conformities to sort out. But Abhinav Dafar was quite good at hand-holding the team and helping. Amelia was to go another hospital in the group for one more
We
assessment.
need to wind up.
Abhinav
Dr.
started
Mulpur.
singing, requesting.
Sir,
We
your
need
time.
to wind up, Dr. Mulpur.
No, I had 14 minutes plus 6 minutes of mine, 20 minutes we are taking it. And I have the permission of moderator.
Yeah, totally. I think, I think, you know, if we were in a Kavi Sammelan, hands off, sir would have won it fully. है ना? अभी तो मैं इधर आ जाऊं पहले तो, you know, because इधर ही पर्ची नहीं फटी है, नहीं तो कपूर सर से लेके ज्ञानी सर सबकी पर्ची फट चुकी है।
हाँ, अभी तो विजय अग्रवाल साहब की बारी है, 2 मिनट बैठिए।
But sir, in your next round, because you see now, I think Dr. Parag.
Many of you don't know that there is a Hindi version of Kaho anthem, and this is Dr. Vijay Agarwal. In the short clip, you will also see Lalu Joseph in her youthful days, and at the end, you will see Parag Rindani as well. Lights down. That is Lalu.
अभी तुम एक ख्वाब हो, अभी पसे हिजाब हो, मैं छू के तुमको देख लूं।
Parag Nindani. Are we accredited or just decorated? All over the world, we are highly fragmented, loosely regulated. It is event rather than process. They have NABH or JCI for what? Insurance empanelment, foreign patients and brand image, not for internal reforms. British Medical Journal study says the outcomes, there is no difference between accredited and non-accredited hospitals. It is a superficial facade. In the very city where we are sitting, consumer redressal forums have pinned down many hospitals leading. For privacy, I don't want to name them. It just shows it is just wo panch din. Patient safety is never a priority. 58% of nurses in Delhi who were interviewed, they said it is all bakwas.
I think
sir.
now in the interest of time, no, because see, I think अच्छा है कि वो 5 दिन ही होता है accreditation.
नहीं, ये audit week है. This is menorrhagia. It was originally 5 दिन. Now there is audit week syndrome and a post accreditation. It is all theater. For the benefit of you, National School of Drama in Bangalore has now got special courses for acting for healthcare professionals. Accreditation has never led to better outcomes. And in the paucity of time, as I am walking, just listen to this. Thank you.
So, Dr. Mulpur, so it's difficult for moderators to stay neutral when it is so passionate, if I may say so, with briefs, debriefs, and etc. coming into play. But I'm sure Dr. Parag will do a forceful plea for wo panch din.
One
Not
can
being
only
the
rebut
case.
with force when there is something to rebut. When there is nothing to rebut, like Neil Anil have done, I don't think we need to get very scared. I put to you this proposal and like the vote to happen on this. Till there is a CAHOite in each and every accredited organization, accreditation is alive and acting every day. Yes or no? I can't hear you guys. Well, Dr. Mulpur, since you're my teacher on accreditation, I will only recall your words. Your words in 2008, 18th to 23rd January, when you taught us in Mumbai, in North Mumbai, you said, you must remember that accreditation has to be part of the DNA. Yesterday, Dr. Peter Lackman spoke about the 3 levels of accreditation. First, where you merely get the accreditation. The second, where you put in systems and processes. And the third one is where you actually co-produce product and service, and you're able to give the optimized outcome to the patient. Ladies and gentlemen, accreditation is like marriage. I guess the Neil Anil duo would like you to believe that you only need to give flowers and peck your wife or your spouse on his or her cheek on the day of your wedding anniversary. I, for example, give my wife a hug every single day. Those of you who believe in the concept of love, even beyond marriage and days of marriage anniversaries, a big round of applause for Neil Anil, because they don't seem to comprehend this. And I think the most important thing is, today's generation of people have realized that they wouldn't like to put money anywhere if it's not adding value. To my mind, accreditation continues to add value day in and day out. Every process that we improve, this is like every step you take, every move you make, I'm going to be watching you. You don't need any watching in this particular thing. People have understood AMR is being practiced on its own. Antibiotic susceptibility is looked on its own. People have stopped using teicoplanin and vancomycin for routine knee surgeries. And I think this is what, unlike Dr. Mulpur, I would like to compliment Dr. Gyani for this, for bringing about this revolution in the country, where people are actually looking at things that are supposed to be looked, where a door to balloon time is done appropriately, irrespective of the day or time. One doesn't look at a door to balloon time or a door to thrombolysis time only in wo panch din. That, ladies and gentlemen, is practiced day in and day out. Because to my mind, accreditation has penetrated the DNA of the organization in its fullest form. And I think, frankly, that while you may still worry about the assessors and wo panch din and all, like Neil Anil love to do, I think that you've imbibed it well, which is why CAHO is a thriving organization. We are not saying the accreditors are bound to build capacity. Somebody else has to do it, and CAHO has done it very well. So if you believe that CAHU has done this well, a big round of applause for Dr. Vijay Agarwal, Lalu, and the GC, as well as all our patrons who are sitting here. Ladies and gentlemen, the expectation that it has to be the accreditation agency is going to lead you unto everything is wrong. That is what the myth here is in these two lovely people, both of whom are also my friends. Dr. Molpur, also a teacher. The misunderstanding which we have to clear, the misunderstanding is that actual quality begins after accreditation. And I think Dr. Gyani, I have my good friend Dr. Rana here, my own teacher, Colonel Air Marshal Kapoor, they've always said quality beyond accreditation. So till you believe that once the assessors are gone, and I guess that's what happened in these two gentlemen's offices and hospitals, because that's all they've seemed to have done. They've managed to pick out all the ugliness that they seem to have had with their assessors. And I hope Dr. Kapoor was not their assessor, because I know him to be a fair what did he say? Peace ke 75. Peace ke pachdi hoti hai, sir. Peace ke 75 nahi hoti. And don't you dare, Dr. Clive, my good friend, talk to me about time. Ladies and gentlemen,
मतलब एक मॉडरेटर का इतना पर्ची आज तक कभी नहीं फटा. 2 वालों ने फाड़ दिया, अब अगेंस्ट वाले फाड़ रहे हैं.
I said it with a lot of love and affection. Dr. Clive and I work in the same organization. Ladies and gentlemen, those of you who actually believe that accreditation is here for those 5 days only, I think all of you need to join Neil Anil in lining up to the neurology department of Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, because that's when you might discover that you don't really need any neurology testing, because there wouldn't be a brain. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer that accreditation has made its inroads into the psyche of people working in hospitals. They have managed to imbibe a culture of safety, a culture of healthcare quality within healthcare in India today. I will go back to the words of the ISCO president, as he said today. India has a lot to give to healthcare quality. It is no mean feat to ask such dignitaries to come down to India to talk about healthcare quality, because they believe that the milieu is now ripe. The people are now appropriately geared up, sensitized to get healthcare quality up and running. And those of you who believe that you can equate quality to a menstrual cycle, I think that's the worst form of misogyny. So ladies, don't forget, if somebody can belittle that, I think they can do anything. Don't forget to vote for us. Thank you.
The safest place to be after all of this. You know, and I've learned one thing. Whenever there is a vaad or whenever there is a vivad, हर सिक्के के 3 पहलू होते हैं, और वो बीच में रह के अभी पता चला. एक इनका साइड था, एक उनका साइड था, and then there is the real side. And you know, as we rightly say, quality is not a destination, it's a journey. So I agree that it is those 5 days. At the same time, I agree it has to be continual. And so now, before we move forward, Doctor, you don't agree for 5 days? Wonderful. इसलिए आप लोगों के लिए एक स्पेशल सेशन रात को 8 बजे 3 डोज ऑफ C3H5OH के बाद रखा गया है.
Incidentally, Dr. Clive heads quality in our hospital, and he knows that it's 365 days. So thank you very much, Dr. Clive.
So you would like to sum up? Yeah.
So thank you. Firstly, I think a lot of animated debates and points which were very well made by both for and against. I would think that it's a mixed house, because different hospitals, healthcare organizations are at different points of maturity. For some, it may well be the case of wo 5 din being wo 5 din, while for many it may be wo 5 din actually being the remaining 360 odd days also. I think it's something like Lord Ganesha making an appearance and staying at our homes for Ganesh Chaturthi, but staying always with us on a daily basis. So with that, I think we would come back to the audience and take a vote of, hands once again. So those of you who still feel that it's only wo 5 din and nothing more, please raise your hands.
See, and this time there is no I don't know, I don't care. Either you're here or you're there. मैं भी थोड़ी कविता करने लग गया हूँ. Okay, so how many of you, and now you have to not look on the stage. Don't get swayed. Now, how many of you actually close your eyes, don't look at your neighbor. आज अपने अंतरात्मा को सुनो. और एक बार सच निकलने दो, because now I'm the moderator. How many of you actually believe that, वो 5 दिन exist today? Raise your hands.
That is exists on a daily basis.
On a daily basis. Wow, there are a lot of people who have mastered the art of whatever. And I didn't say anything. Okay, how many of you actually believe that it is वो 365 दिन quality and accreditation? Wait, सवाल तो खत्म होने दो. Because सवाल ये नहीं था कि होना चाहिए कि नहीं, जो कि आप लोगों ने हाथ खड़ा कर दिया. सवाल ये है कि वाकई में in our organizations everywhere is accreditation and quality taken seriously and practiced 365 by 24/7, especially when accreditators and surveyors are not looking. How many of you believe? अब थोड़े कम हो गए देखो. Because one wise man often said, people never do what is expected. They only do what is inspected. तो जब भी हम रेड लाइट पे रुकते नहीं है ना, और वो पांडु हमारा वो काटता रसीद, हम उसको गाली देते हैं. द रेड लाइट वाज द क्वालिटी, द पुलिस वाज द एक्रेडिटेशन. हम लोग बात करने आए थे. हाँ, पर आप लोग आ जाओ, आप भी आ जाओ. सो एनीवे, सो आई थिंक इट वाज अ गुड डिबेट.
Excellent. I think overall the impression that we at least not so moderate moderators get is that most of the people do believe that it's a 365 journey rather than it being only wo 5 din. But thank you once again to all the panelists for this exciting debate. And okay, those of you who feel that Neil and Anil won the day, please raise your hands.
Yes.
Those of you who feel Sanjeev and Parag did their job well today and won.
अभी ऑप्शन सी भी है. आपको लगता है अभी धर्म संकट है और भाई कुछ ना बोलना है तो रेज योर हैंड.
How many of you think the moderators did a good job?
Okay, so the matter is settled once and for all. There are 99% hands raised for the moderator.
But on a serious note, thank you all of you, the panelists and the organizers.